Paulo Coelho is kind of a religious writer in a sense, where he explores humankind. No.
Where are we going right here?
Speaking about classic books, Savita Bobby.
I thought it was the Bible. I got scared.
Oh. Bible.
By the way, we're one down. Do you guys want to join the show?
So, y'all want to know my childhood stories? Okay.
Are we going to a dark place now?
Right now.
I can see the matrix in front of me, the depression matrix right
I
now.
want to put a black and white zoom on him and slowly going in darkness.
இல்ல நானே
I don't know why
பிரச்சனை
people call depression a dark thing. It's actually something, that's eye-opening for us. A lot of us, we can learn a lot from it. I feel.
Yeah,
I think we have all been there, and if we actually adapt and learn from it, we become a better version of ourselves. That's what I feel.
Then what about people who, I mean, like, yeah, a lot of people say that நான் வந்து பட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு நான் வந்து வெளில வந்திருக்கேன். But the thing is, like, what happens to people after they go through, to some people who don't, succeed being a better person after being in depression, avangala, what happens to them then? Like, that is the question.
First of all, the word subjective, the word better person itself is quite subjective.
Yeah. Because, okay, answering you, I would say, take the example of Alan Kafka. Do you know about him?
No.
So Kafka, if you are an avid book reader, Kafka is a very popular term for like people who read his books.
Okay.
But his books became popular and published only after his death. His friend published it and that's what he got famous.
Right.
Vincent van Gogh, same. In his whole lifetime, he sold like 2 paintings.
I think it's one painting.
One painting? No, it's 2 painting, I guess. Whatever it is, he didn't make more than $20.
Half the money.
Right.
But
The
then
point is
once
he
it's
made his
there,
money after his death,
so
right?
I think Oprah doesn't say, like, you never know what legacy you leave behind.
Correct.
So just keep on trying, go for it. You just have to live your life in the way. And it's like, it's going to be hard either way.
Right.
You just have to choose the hardness that you like.
It's actually true. I like the saying.
என்னடா ரொம்ப சீரியஸா போயிட்டு இருக்கே டக்குனு இப்படி சொல்லுவான்னு
Not even
நினைச்சேன்.
that. It was just like 5 minutes. We've gone from talk about mental health to motivational speech. I'm like, damn,
True.
Damn, I didn't write
I want to finish by saying that, this segment at least.
Okay.
I like the saying, it's not about what we have, it's about who we become, and that is what success is. Not the money, the fame. A lot of people equate success with that, and that's why they get depressed maybe. So I think it's about who we become. So the same thing with depression also. If we're going through depression, if we adapt and learn from that and become a better person, that's all that
think
matters.
Hey, this guy got his WhatsApp status.
I think what helped me during my depression is just the change of perspective.
True, yeah.
You know
That
what?
changes everything, right?
Change from this perspective to this perspective.
I've got an idea.
That changes everything, the way we look at things.
Got idea.
Yeah. So since Hari was speaking about what changed him, what made him a better person during depression, do you know what elevated right? Elevated. GRE elevated me from my depression was this right here.
Oh my God. Golf club.
No man, so that brings us to the first ever question of this podcast. Oh fuck, wait. How did Yin Yang start?
Oh yes.
Oh
How did
yeah,
Indian
we have never spoken about that.
Because to be
Segue
That's a really good one.
Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
So,
totally
because that's
unprepared
question
also.
for you two guys.
Yeah, exactly.
I came after some.
It's a good segue, total unprepared segue also.
I know.
Do you want to start that or?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
people ask me how I met Amar and all that. I want to have some cool backstory, but he made him at a dog's birthday party.
Not even a
I swear
human's
that's how
birthday
I was
party.
going.
It's
how
a
I
I
dog's
swear that's how I was
birthday
going to
party.
start as well. We met at a
Exactly,
dog's
dog.
birthday
Which
party.
dog's birthday party?
Friend of ours, Beagle, wasn't it?
It was
Daisy. The dog's name is Daisy.
Yeah.
Come on, we were at the party. We ate the cake. So
I ain't saying shit. I ain't going to trouble. The
So
best
we
part
have
is
birthday parties for dogs
so many
right now.
decorations, such a good cake, and I am like, what did they get me? Just like, wow. Like, and they called guests also.
Who's that special friend, man? I have to see them. What the hell? Like,
Yeah,
how
they're celebrating
celebrating
birthdays for
dog
dogs.
birthdays, man?
No,
one
actually,
celebrates my
it's actually
birthday.
pretty sweet in a way. They don't treat a dog as a pet. They're all family members
No,
over there.
even I didn't treat my dog as a pet, but I didn't give it like a fucking cake.
The best part is,
Everyone
And
treated
I
me
did
as a
ask-
dog, man. What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
shut up, that's it. Anyway, but then yeah, so So then what happened after that is, I still remember whenever Amar, I call him some concert or something, he's like, hey, I'm busy. You come for a dog's birthday party.
By the way, I never say I'm busy. It just so happens that I cannot make it. You know, I've always wanted to be at
That's
a
what she said. That's what she said.
I'm
Not I'm busy.
Aditya is so happy to say that's what she said.
That's what she said. I cannot.
Oh, I dread your Facebook interviews. Anyway.
That hit you 3 spot out.
I mean,
I'm making it a thing. Kaushik, you also made it a thing.
Okay, so wait, I'll come to that later. Let's get back to me and Amar's story.
yeah.
And then after that, me and Amar, we were talking and all that, and we bonded over Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
he was a big fan.
Nice.
That's one of my favorite shows. Yeah.
no doubt.
And then after that, like, I was texting regarding this thing, and then the bottle cap challenge was there.
Right. Correct.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And he was telling like you're trying that. I tried a few friends. I was like, just imagine, just imagine this guy, kick a guy smoking and be like, no smoking. He's like, so what are you doing tomorrow?
I still remember. Okay, I was sitting in my bathroom while I was chatting with him about that. I know people don't
That's
want
how
to know that,
beautiful
you know, but
friendship starts.
it's so clear over here. I still remember when that conversation happened, and we were like, okay, let's shoot this video tomorrow itself. Why don't you drop by at my place and we can shoot this tomorrow? That's-
Oh, wow, nice, right?
And then the best part is I sat, I went to his place. His mom's like one more weirdo. So used to random people coming, you know, with a beard like this high actor. So then after, yeah, like you again.
right, okay. Yeah.
And then after that, okay, I still remember this. I'm sitting there, I was like, Mom, have a call. He went to the room. Yeah, okay, we don't need the third song for the movie. We can cut that. Yeah, I'll do a fight sequence. I'm like, damn. I'm getting my focal. Mana, varama. 10 minutes.
I'm pretty sure he's exaggerating all this or misinterpreting it.
You went in and you're like, you know, we can cut the third
Oh, that's why he was behaving differently with me in the beginning, you know, because he didn't know what or who I was.
And then we shot the video, and it kind of it became a success. We didn't know. After the video came out, I think Seko will play the video.
Yeah.
Let's play the video, yeah. At least a part where he's getting kicked in the face. That's the most interesting part.
Right.
And then after that, like we were like, you know what? We're sharing it ever. Let's put it on YouTube. It seems like an idea. Maybe one more thing. We should share that thing. We should give it a name. What name? First thing, Amar, we're changing the name from. It was called Amaramesh. I'm like, first thing, we changed the channel.
Yeah. We used my Gmail ID. You know, we didn't even bother to create a new Gmail ID.
And I not interviewed Amaramesh and the boys.
Amar Ramesh in the bus.
I'm Amar, I'm a boy.
Boy
Trust
1,
me-
boy 2, boy 3.
Trust me, man, Yinny Angus was the most fuckal name I've ever heard, okay? But the thing is, wait, let me finish.
We congratulate, we wish you luck for your future endeavors.
But listen to me, like,
We
இப்போ
like to give you
KK
1 month's notice.
இல்ல KK is actually growing on me. I'm actually liking Yinny Angus. It's basically like what Post Malone told. Like it's KK. எனக்கே ரொம்ப grow ஆகுது.
KK. Wait a minute.
What? I thought you were saying but I was thinking
I'm not getting into it. I'm leaving if it's KKK. What is this grand wizard shit?
and so before that, me and
அட இரியா சொல்ல விடியா என்ன. So it's basically like what Post Malone told. முதல்ல Post Malone கேக்கும்போது எல்லாருக்குமே எவனுக்குமே பிடிக்கவும் இல்ல புரியவும் இல்ல. But then he like hit what was his first hit? Congratulations. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்துட்டு அது பேர் என்ன White Iverson அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பாட்டு வந்துச்சு. So after that he became a household name. So yeah, I like Yinny Angus. The moral of the story is I like
It's because of our affinity towards the yin yang symbol. That's how it started, I guess. You know, we thought it was really cool, but people like Yin Angus. But who said the name? Who said the
I
name?
gave a bunch of stuff. He's like, okay, this one. Putting all this, how about this, that.
Amar, Kaushik gave a list. Amar is like right swipe. Whichever fit.
No, because I believe, you know, the name is definitely going to catch on. You know, people, if they love the product, they're going to love the name. It's like, yeah.
It's true. It's nice.
Wait, I thought you had like 3 final names.
We had 3 options, yeah.
What were the other
I
options?
swear I don't remember the other
second
options.
one, mindfulness.
What?
Mindfulness.
No, that was not an option.
I kind of like that.
Mindfulness.
Oh, mindfulness.
This is what would happen if I kept that. Subject channel mindfulness. What? Mindfulness.
I don't even remember that.
I don't feel like
Okay. We would have got lot of answers.
Sakti Kodi! Okay, I think I'm starting right now. No.
Starting what?
But yeah, so you guys
Controversial
came up with 3 Young Angers was
And then after that, we had to shoot a video where we needed 3 characters. Now, I used to work with these two in our own channel, Nonsense Media. And yeah, so
No. Again, we're not talking about
it's
that.
the name we don't talk about.
We don't.
Okay, so we
It's
used
the
to work with
Voldemort.
3 together.
Was it so
What
scarring
about
for
the
you,
pen?
Nonsense Media? Was it
It
so scarring?
wasn't for me at least. I was so detached from Coimbatore.
Yeah, I watched the videos. It was pretty fun. You guys made
Wait,
a lot
what?
of fun videos. Yeah, Nonsense
Yeah.
Media.
Adha, kapathikran.
But then after that, like after the other people left, then me, Hari and Adya thing, after that I have my exam, like I'm free. Then after that, Amar's like, do you know 2 people for a sketch? Like, shit.
Here we go again.
Avengers,
So Aditya,
assemble.
are you free?
I know, right? Yeah. I mean, Avengers Assemble.
Exactly.
Oh, you saw that video? Oh, அது கேக்கலையா? Okay, pen.
Means Avengers a movie.
I was
Oh,
saying yes to the
Okay,
catchphrase.
okay.
After this, segue நம்மளால பண்ண முடியும். So remember I call Aditya for the Jimmy Fallon video. I'm like, so Aditya, I shoot tomorrow. If you're busy, it's okay. I'm free. Sure. Sure about that.
I need friends.
Yeah, I need friends.
The
Hello,
band is
darkness.
like, But since you talk of movies and all that, like, I should mention this Amar's movies coming out, Satur and all that.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
a feature
right.
film, not YouTube, movie.
It's a feature film, man.
Exactly. Like the second we found like feature film, like our friendship like increased. I'm like, oh, this guy's my favorite list. It's going to come in handy in the future.
Yeah, obviously.
It's like me wanting to choose rich friends. It's completely okay. I understand.
Oh, that's why you go to dog birthday party.
I didn't see that one coming. Okay. Yeah.
That's what she said. Oh god.
So
Right.
you can see like my friends watching and she like,
I'm going to turn my face away from the camera for some time.
Like a blur.
I know.
Amar right now, I used to work with real directors. Damn it, I'm stuck here with you.
Hey, start from the bottom now, 1 centimeter.
That's true.
That's the
Yeah,
bottom
man.
Yes.
I mean, I'm just like actually very proud because last year we did only 9 videos. But right now, we've actually like
In the lockdown, we actually increased the way we did. And I would give props to Kaushik because Kaushik was like, Hari, I think we need to do something that needs to be regular. And I'm like, yes, let's do
Yes.
And because I had already had an idea of doing a podcast and I tell these folks like, dude, I need to start. But then life happens.
No. See, one thing me and Ari have in common, we have failed podcasts, okay?
Yeah.
He tried a vlog or something, I tried a solo podcast, the weirdest shit in the world. I'm like, okay, we're gonna talk about where do I look?
No, because it's like talking to yourself.
Yeah.
Which is good in bathroom but not in real life. Like, hi guys, so today I am
Lonely.
So you tried a vlog in India, kind of stuff. Have you tried something, like, but you're like, fuck, I can't do this, apart from engineering?
Apart from engineering, I think engineering was the only thing.
I mean, like
It's
something like
not
video
because I
wise.
hated the
What a
subjects.
flex.
Yeah.
What a flex.
I absolutely love science, but I hated the college. I don't want to mention the college, but I hated the college more
Is
than
there
the.
something
Google
like
search Amar Anna College.
And here at the
Is that a
college,
very,
let's just say it's
similar
called Krishna
name?
College because it's called Krishna College. And
No, Krishna College is where I did my BBM, and I absolutely loved Krishna College. I did my engineering in a different college,
Okay.
and I just hated that place
What
back then.
department were you in?
Aeronautical, aerospace, yeah.
Wait, I think I know the college. ஏன்னா கோயம்புத்தூர்ல அது ஒன்று கோயம்புத்தூர்ல தானே படிச்சீங்க?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
இல்ல நிறைய காலேஜ்ல இருக்கு. There are plenty of colleges in Coimbatore that have aerospace.
Yeah, dude, my
But
college
I'm going to make it easier for people to decode. In 2008, that was the first year that the college launched aerospace engineering.
right now,
That's all I'm going to say.
people are going to pause the podcast.
I was the first person to take a seat there, and I was the first person to drop out as well.
Wow.
What a flex.
I know. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு.
Tell your tagline.
எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு. Aditya loves the dialogue.
I can see people who are listening like, what's going on? No, but seriously, another thing is like, have you like tried like a vlog or something which can work? Like a vlog?
Oh yeah. I mean, in 2016 itself, we wanted to get into YouTube. So me and my friend Hansraj, he's one of my close buddies.
Yeah.
So we shot a couple of videos, but it never made it into YouTube. That's all. So we have always tried getting into YouTube, and it never happened in 2016.
They say it like, it's your YouTube, it sucks. Fuck, I'm
No,
uploading.
seriously, we think it's a great idea to start with. After shooting, we are like, this is crap. Let's not release it. We have to start with a bang. And
Because Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, but that's the worst thing, man. Like நம்ம வந்துட்டு மத்தவங்கலாம் வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப கேவலமா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு வந்து we'll stop ourselves from uploading content. But the thing is, we have to upload content that we
That's
can.
true. That's
Yeah.
true. I mean, we don't have to judge.
We
our
only
own
go
work,
up
yeah.
from this rock bottom. So yeah.
You know, like even because my starting script for when I started doing stand-up in general, like shit. But then,
But we all have to start somewhere, right?
Because
Exactly.
the more, if you don't know this, every stand-up comic is tired of his own jokes because we do it 46 times. Please,
Some audience also.
okay.
I love how accurate that is.
Yeah,
46
46
times.
Because that's the most I have done one joke at a time.
Right.
46 times.
The worst
to
part-
get it in a very perfectly structured way.
Right.
Because the perfect structure in a stand-up in general is like every 30 seconds your whole set should get a laugh. Every 30 seconds. Or else your set is a shit show. It's going to be very hard to come back from that. So I have done 46 times in an open mic to get a joke right. And then do it for at least more than 30 to 33 times in shows.
Here's the problem. At 30 times, imagine the person who comes every 30 times.
Write some new material already.
எனக்கு பெருமை உண்டா இருக்கு. But YouTube checking in also like what the shit.
And the dude who comes 30 times to his show is me because I am the one who's providing laughter track every single time. Me and Abhitav who's sitting over there. Shout out Abhitav.
It's like I'm happy when you guys come like, not do that. Please act like this thing.
I mean, we started when I came to Coimbatore, I thought very professional. Yeah. I came back, I emailed her, I go
Email.
on Google, I find this one open mic. I won't name it because I don't want to.
They at least gave you a stage, right?
So I wrote them an email saying, because that's what I was used to. I'm like, hey, I'm Hari Mukesh, I work with these comics. I would like to have a 5-minute slot.
Right.
Within like 2 or 3 minutes, I'm like, yeah, we love to have you on the show. 5 minutes, or you can take 30 minutes also.
Hari was like, will they accept the email? Meanwhile, there's an email. They're actually sending email.
Exactly, because and then I'm like, I met you, I met Kaushik in the 3rd or the 4th. What do you say? Open mic.
Like, he's like, nice and what are you talking about?
Yeah, I came to Kaushik after the show because it's like, so comics understand. So I'm like, I like to encourage people. I like to go to them, hey, say, I know it's a shit show, they didn't laugh, but it was a good set, don't give up on it.
Wait, say what?
Yeah, no, see, because
சொன்ன மாதிரி ஞாபகமே இல்லையே.
Kaushik used to do English.
Yeah.
And it's very hard to get a laugh on an English set in Coimbatore.
Right, right.
And because I came to Kaushik and I said, listen dude, nice set, listen, I'm working with these comics, so believe me, the set was great. Kaushik in the other hand, yeah, tell me what's the other side of your story when I came and approached you.
You see, a compliment is so, too much to take at a time is good. Brain can't process this and all that.
Very true. But
Okay.
the most interesting thing about my stand-up thing is the first time I did any show in Coimbatore was I opened for Alex.
So, they're going for a Tamil musical standard. This guy comes, hi guys from Goa. Visible confusion.
No, because I mailed Alex saying, listen,
much blogs get
first of
email
all,
account?
very kind guy. Alex is one of the best people you can work
That's
with.
true, yeah.
Very kind, very down to earth. Like I emailed him, I wasn't even expecting a reply because I was so frustrated to coming to Coimbatore because I have to start over again, I have to get contacts, everything. So I emailed Alex like, listen,
These contacts, like.
and then Alex is like, send me your 5-minute clip. I sent him
Right.
my 5-minute clip and he said, yeah, it's nice, come open for me. I was like, yeah. I'm
That's so
done.
cool, man. Yeah.
Yeah. And I go, Alex is like, he hears, I tell him like, this is the jokes I'm going to do. Alex is like, done, go for it. And then I go on stage. In the waist, and it's in Sitra Auditorium, right? It's like
Yeah.
this. I can see everyone like,
My eyes, alright.
and there are kids in the audience.
Oh.
You know my set is bad.
Exactly.
It's at least PG-13. So in my brain, I'm like, announce my name. I go on stage. At that moment, I'm modifying my jokes.
Oh.
I'm taking.
तुम बहुत से DK, no बहुत से DK नहीं.
Both said a beep.
But then I did. Alex was kind enough and he loved the set.
Nice man.
That was amazing, and I think
He looks like a really sweet guy. I've not
he
met
is
him or
very
anything.
kind. Like he is so old also. He's like 45.
But he doesn't
45
look his
plus.
age at all.
Yeah, man.
I think
He
he
does
practices
yoga.
yoga and all
Yes,
that.
he does yoga.
So before this, before going on stage, he's doing his yoga thing. Me, while I'm getting anxiety attacks.
No, actually speaking, that's how people are supposed to look at their age, right? You know, many people
Nah,
don't
but the
really
waist
take
la-
care of themselves, and yeah.
I think
How people look at Alex at 40, meanwhile this at 20.
no. Meanwhile, we both after this being like engineering படிச்சிட்டு உயிரோட இருக்கோம்.
Dark circles.
Because me and Aditya will have like random Google calls, duo calls. It's like random. Yeah, my life sucks this much. How much does your like? Yeah, mine also bro. Segment.
They want to call me and be like, how's your life? And I'm sorry, I'm a night duty.
That's so sad, man.
But seriously, when I think about it, like, what did you after you quit engineering?
I did my bachelor's in business management.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I was never in class for most of the time. You know, I would be at a seminar or a workshop. So BBM was a walk in the park. It was so much fun. You know, I used to really bond with my classmates, my juniors. It was a lot of fun. In Krishna College in Coimbatore, which happens to be one of the best colleges, especially back then, because the principal was.
Back then being the key word.
I don't know about now.
Oh shit.
I literally was like, let's get that sponsor back then.
No, because I don't know about now. I don't study there anymore. But the principal was like a super cool guy, so chill. It was fun, man. You know, the HOD used to walk to our class and be like, you know, hey, Anthony was one of my classmates, you know. Anthony Amar, would you like to quit class? You know, come with us. Let's go to the HOD room and sit and chat away. What we are doing right now, basically.
That's a dream for every engineer.
yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Our HODs on the other hand. Hey, project எங்கயா? மேம் வருது. மேம் நாங்க போவோம்.
I swear.
அதெல்லாம் போக முடியாது.
That's something I hated about engineering, you know. Like, it was like jail, it was like school. They want you to do the observation, then the record
I
notebook, you
think
know.
that's one thing that I experienced in Tamil Nadu.
What?
True.
The engineering life in Tamil Nadu in general is very like jail types. Because I
More specifically, Psych Triple E. It's not even Triple E. It's Psych
Psych
Triple E.
Because-
I used to be victimized by some of the staff members because I spoke English.
Oh,
I used to
wow.
respond in English.
I tell you what, I told Kaushik as well. I had to dumb down my English when I came over
Right.
here, just because I
Sir.
sound a little local. Sir, illa sir, I was here, sir. I cannot help.
Mama, ni pute kaise? Why no coming? Why use big words when you use small words?
And even one of my friend, who Hari, he used to tell me like, listen, dude, like he used to be like, Hari, gee, நீ வேற லெவல்ல பேசிட்டு இருக்க, but இதெல்லாம் work out ஆகுது.
Right.
I actually had like a whole, I feel that's a whole type of race. You know how they always make fun saying like, how people can't speak English.
நமக்கெல்லாம் கூட பரவாயில்லைங்க தலைவர் இருக்காரு பாத்தீங்களா
That's why I'm telling you.
ஆக்சென்ட் அம்மா
And people like this, okay. You know how they always criticize people for not knowing English or something like that. I stayed, when I was young, I went to England, okay, I was 2 years old. I came back when I was 4th year.
England is my city. England is my city.
I don't know if I learned anything, but I got this amazing accent, okay? And
I would say
Do girls go
No,
crazy
that
over
time
that
was-
accent?
a post-panic kid.
Back then.
And so, exactly so, I'm going there, and my relatives will try and make me speak Tamil, and they don't know how it works. They're like, let's play Spa. Come on. I'm a small kid, like what? They think you can slap.
I know, if you are good at something, they want to parade you to the
Yeah,
guests and all
they thought
that.
they could slap the language. I'm like, what's that? Solana. Something like that. I was traumatized. I think that's my like weak point. If someone makes fun, like I didn't understand what he said, I'm fucked. I'm like, okay, stand up, set over.
Oh my God.
I mean, I increased the way I speak. I used to articulate my words.
Right.
It differed.
Articulate, eh?
Yeah, because it changed after I started listening to music. Especially
Makes sense.
புத்தாண்டின்
My first-
முதல் நாள் இது
Makes sense, makes sense.
அந்த
the
படத்துல
first band that I ever, and I still like it feels Linkin Park.
Oh yeah.
Right.
I was like in my
True
room,
that.
DBZ with Numb, DBZ with the end, like DBZ with anything but Linkin Park, and I was like yes, now I could feel the way it changed me. And like when Chester Bennington died, I was dead. I was like, that's the only celebrity where
Yeah,
I
that was
like,
devastating,
on
yeah.
the floor, like literally weeping because like he has gotten so many people out of this phase and so relatable. So when it's just gone, and that too in a way which you don't even expect him to
Right.
go, it's kind of sad. But then again, I think English accent was one thing that I developed during my school days. Even in school, I studied in Kendra Vidyalaya. So my English had to be dumbed down. So I learned how to dumb down my English for people.
Right.
Oh.
Or else I'll be like, yes, this is a very
I mean,
extrapolated-
ultimately, they have to understand.
Now, coming back, yeah, so you're saying about how it's a jail, you know, usually engineering in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
How was that? You had some interesting experience with engineering.
Yeah, I mean, I actually spoke about how it was jail for me, right? But at the same time, the only reason I survived was, you know, I really have to mention this person. He was my English professor in college.
Okay.
Amazing guy, Vidyanand sir. He's the only person I think who I invited to my wedding as well. No offense to the other teachers. So the thing is, he introduced me to this movie called Dead Poets Society. I don't know if you guys have watched it.
Oh, Robin Williams classic.
I left after 1 year because he was also leaving. He also left college when I decided to leave.
Oh.
And we did that last scene from the movie
Are you
where
serious?
yeah, I'm not even
That's
kidding. When he
dope.
left, he was completely in tears and we stood on the table and oh captain, my captain. That was a moment, man. One of the most
Literal goosebumps.
yeah.
People have
One
not
of the
seen
best
it.
moments of my
Watch
life.
it, man.
I still call him captain. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Meanwhile, us, HOD,
இந்த தாயலி வேற
But I,
அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போ.
I would say even my 12th standard English teacher or faculty,
Right.
he was like, he used to be like, we need to shoot something, we need to make a movie.
Are you
he
serious?
Yeah. His name is, he's on YouTube. His name is Santosh Kumar Khanna.
Wow.
Very nice, one of the best English teachers I've ever had.
Okay.
He used to come to the class like it used to be like this motivational talk speech, Mari. You have to look at this in a way. Like this. And Mari.
So it's almost like many of our English professors were like life mentors.
True, because I think
Yeah.
and they were the ones who pushed me towards movies as well.
Right.
Like I think that's when I
Right
started.
now, I talk about English, he's getting some PTS looking ass boot in English. Past tense.
I think he disagrees. Yeah.
Okay.
Participle.
You know what? Like, I would like to give a shout out to my English teacher.
Shout out.
Not in a good way,
because-
I'm guessing.
Because, you know, like,
Please reply to my mails, man. Please.
one of the things I'm actually proud of being in school is because of my school, it was actually known for its, you know, English fluency and like
What school?
how.
Would you like to plug in your school as well?
Yeah, it's Vidyanikethan. I think a lot of people will be
Admission
watching it.
starting in July.
Ma'am, please, yeah, so I wanted to talk about Vasanthi, ma'am. I hope you're still alive. I don't know if you are.
I don't
Okay,
know
we're
if
gonna
that's
cut this
sad or
out.
funny.
I'm just kidding, ma'am. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it's because of her and some other people like Renan Martin, obviously. Yeah, Renan Martin, the book.
Oh,
Yeah, the grammar book.
Right.
the red one, right?
The Bible
Yeah,
of
the-
English grammar.
Yes.
Bible. Oh God, I see.
Yeah. She always used Renan Martin and all the other grammar. That too, but like, you know, like she used to be this really great teacher and because of her only I'm able to like at least ஏதோ fluent-ஆ பேச முடியும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்ததே வந்துட்டு I think I'll have to give it to that and shout out to Vidyanikethan itself because
By the way,
My Kenny dudes.
by the way, everyone has to know that Aditya does online English classes nowadays.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Are you
Shout out
plugging
if
in?
you want to join his classes, you can contact him
I can now
anytime.
wait for the English teacher comment like, whoa. For the past, you failed English. Now you're taking class.
நான் bachelor's முடிச்சு masters
Yeah.
முடிச்சு இன்னைக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் டீச்சரா வந்தா நீ bachelor மட்டும் முடிச்சிட்டு இங்கிலீஷ் கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிச்ச.
ஐயா எனக்கு தெரியாதுங்க மேம் சும்மா ஒரு உட்கார வச்சுட்டாங்க அவன் டப் பண்றாங்க எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல தெரியாதுங்க
well again shout out to Amar for giving me that opportunity. I'm actually Oh my God, this is
You see how I did that? You see how I did that?
Segment or what?
What is this? Thank you too.
But adding to what Hari was saying, you know, I
Shout
learned
out him also.
no, not a shout out, but learning English and the sources. I learned most of my English from
Valentine's Day episode, I'm saying
cartoons, music, comic books, WWE, movies.
ஏன்னா that
Yeah.
time there wasn't Amazon that much famous, so I used to go to the Appuvandi. Even there wasn't any library as in such in Goa at that time. So I used to go to railway station to buy Spider-Man.
Higginbotham's, right?
Right.
No, Spider-Man comics.
இல்ல அந்த Higginbotham's book stall தான் அங்க நிறைய இருக்கும் அதுல இருக்கு.
Even Tinkles. You get Tinkles
yeah,
at railway
yeah.
station.
I used I have to put it out there. this
That's what she
may be
said, but-
true or not
Ah.
because legal purposes are over. I may have stole some tickets from myself. This is saying.
Huh?
But
okay?
because it used to be so good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
seriously.
like every
I used to
single student
subscribe to
used to
Tinkle.
In other words, you want to steal getting your money back, like, you know, fuck you. Capitation. Okay. And you guys, if you guys Tintin Asterix fans?
Oh yes, yes.
I've read all the
Albert
books. I've read
Uderzo
all the
and
books,
Rini
yeah.
Koshkini.
I haven't
It took me 2 years to fucking memorize that name. Okay, that was in like fourth grade or.
You got excited with that.
Yes.
You just went, oh.
Dude, you had no idea how much stuff it was when I was in fourth grade or something. Rene Goshkine. எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு சொன்னது.
You literally just.
Is that
It's a French writer, right?
it's a
Yeah, yeah,
that
French,
is a
Belgium
Scandi
comic.
names, right?
It's all.
இல்ல இல்ல those two people were Belgium இல்ல இல்ல Tintin தான் Belgium நினைக்கிறேன் கரெக்ட்டா.
Tintin's
French, yeah, Belgium, yeah.
Asterix is French as well, I think.
I'm not sure. About
Asterix and Obelix, I don't know sure, but I think it's Viking stories.
The
right?
written
Viking
by
story,
The
yeah.
names are
Yeah.
Scandis.
Yeah.
No, it's just but this guy literally just gave Asterix like Asterix.
I know. My favorite Asterix comics is The Legionary when they joined the Roman army.
Oh,
Do you
yeah,
remember that one?
Gaul,
Yeah.
Gaul.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it did, you know, encourage violence, but apart from that, yeah. But it's so-
And Wild Boar. Oh my God! I
Funny
was
violence.
I think the primary reason I was addicted to non-veg when I was in school was because of that guy Obelix holding the wild boar and eating it like that.
I am not fat. I am just well-rounded. It was his catchphrase.
Well padded.
Well-padded or well-rounded?
These humans.
Well rounded as well. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, apart from any classic books you guys read about growing.
Classic books.
I can say talk about books, but I don't think you guys will just say.
I-
I read Pablo Neruda.
guys like using paper
Paulo
before.
Coelho's.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Paulo, my reading style
Dan
is
Brown
kind of-
கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கிறியா? JK Rowling கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கிறியா?
See, I kind of because it's very into the magic territory, right?
Right.
Paulo Coelho is kind of a religious writer in a sense, where he
Hey,
explores
hey,
humankind.
hey, hey.
No, no, no.
Where are we going right here?
Speaking about classic books, Savita Bobby.
I thought you were saying Bible. I got scared.
Bible.
By the way, we're one down. Do you guys want to join the show?
Abhishek comes in like, wow, hi honey. I like the new honey. Anyway,
நான் சொன்னதை விட இவன் தான் பைபிள் சொன்னான்னு சொல்லி. Okay.
No, but he is kind of a religious writer
Right.
in the sense he explores the human brain in a way, puts some magic kind of shit, but it's not that big kind of like
It's like
J.K.
drugs.
Rowling Murray.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like
you read about
J.K.
drugs.
Rowling is on cocaine, Paulo Coelho is LSD. Right? I think that's a very good
J.K.
comparison.
Rowling writes fantasy stories, whereas this guy writes spiritual books. Many people have many people have a problem with the word spiritual because they think it's talking about spirits. No, but we are actually talking about
He's just exploring how the mindfulness.
exactly.
where the fucking ghosts?
It's like watching Star World at 12 in the night when you're smothering.
Oh my god. Major childhood.
GM Star World.
Wow, I just went back
I
to
legit thought we talk of books. Binding. Isn't it all? Star Wars.